Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a review on Lulu's Holistic Skincare. I actually got these on Black Friday day sale. Lulu's Holistic is a woman-owned brand that's all natural skincare and everything you could think of. So I'm going to tell you guys what I got and my thoughts and opinions on them. The first thing I got is the Body Conscious Butter in Lavender. This is how much I've used. A little goes a long way. It smells absolutely amazing. Okay, it's very moisturizing. A little goes a long way. This right here is the star of the show. I'm gonna keep stocking up on this, and especially now in Florida where the air is so dry, you need something that's a little bit more heavier than your everyday regular lotion. So I absolutely love this. My husband loves it. He loves the smell, and that's a bonus because when I put this on, he's all over me. He really loves this. And I love it too because it's so moisturizing. I also got the baby butter, and this is for Kai Kai. This is how much I've used. It's very moisturizing. Also, it doesn't take long to absorb in his skin. My son is very fussy. He doesn't like stuff sitting on his skin for too long, so this absorbs good and it moisturizes skin and leaves him perfect. Okay, this is really good. Amazing stuff. I like that it's not scented, so if your baby has sensitive skin or eczema or rosacea, I feel like this would be perfect because it doesn't have any scent or anything, and it's all natural, organic. They literally have all the ingredients: apricot, cornel oil, coconut oil, beeswax, shea butter, chamomile, and calendula oil, and vitamin E oil. Like, you literally can pronounce everything on this, so you know there's no preservative, there's nothing crazy in this that's gonna hurt your baby. And because baby skin are very sensitive, so I appreciate that a lot. When I wasn't using this on Kai, I used to use the Honest Baby Company Lavender lotion and body wash because it's all natural and it's organic. So because it's winter time, I'm using this one instead, and he loves it and I love it. Next thing I got is the Bentonite clay with turmeric. Bentonite clay is very good. You can use it as a hair mask, and you can also use it as a face mask. You mix it with apple cider vinegar. I've used this on my face, and I've also used this on hubby face. A lot of stuff that I buy, I not only tested on my face, I tested on my husband's face, because like he gets like a facial once a month, the pop pimple, quiz ball. He get exfoliated and all of that. So with the warm rag and all of that, he get a facial. So most of the expensive facial stuff that I use on myself, I also use on hubby. Once a month, 2 times a month, depending on how his skin is reacting. And I also use this on him, and he has more oily skin, and it was perfectly fine. He liked it. I used it on my skin. I like to use this as spot treat if I want to get rid of a like pimple that just won't go away. I'll put some apple cider vinegar on it, and I'll just put it on my face and go to sleep with it on my face, and I really like it a lot. The next thing I got is the turmeric soap, and this smells so good. This is good for acne and breakouts and stuff. And as you can see, I cut my bar. I actually have 2 of these. I have one in my bathroom right now because I cut it and I couldn't find the other one. I couldn't find this one that I cut first, but I cut this and I use it piece by piece because I don't want it to finish. This is what I actually use on my face in the bathroom when I'm not using my all natural African shea soap. This is amazing. It doesn't dry. it doesn't dry out your skin. It's perfect, and it's perfect for acne prone skin. Love this a lot. So yeah, that is my review on the Lulus holistic skincare products. Everything that I bought so far is amazing. I have no complaints. I felt like it was money well spent, and I'm definitely going back for my turmeric soap and my body conscious butter in lavender. Love, love, love. The baby butter is gonna last a while also. So yeah, that's my review. I'll leave the link to all the products that I actually bought in the description box. You can just click on them and go buy them, go purchase them. I fully endorse Lulus Holistic. Big up to Diani. I love supporting female owned black woman brands. Love it, absolutely love it. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. Deuces.